Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. It's a big box. So let's open this, guys. Let's see. It's huge. Okay, I'm going to get the scissors. Let's open it. Open sesame. Yes. Oops. Okay, so that is the booklet. This is that. This is this. I'll take everything out first, guys. Okay, so you can see everything.
You don't need to dismantle it, so just we'll do that when we are installing it.
Yeah, so that. One second, guys. This it takes time.
And tip it upside down onto the chair. So see, open the flaps and then tip it upside down.
Tip it upside down.
Yeah.
Hold it. Is this the top? Like this. Okay, so this is okay, so
This way. No, the other way. That's the back. Yeah.
so this is printer. So this is what's it? HP.
HP 2720E.
2720E.
Model.
Oh, so that is an order. So this is the
Yeah, I can leave it as it is. Don't unpack it.
yeah. So this is the power in
Is
here.
there a scan switch on there?
I think this is a printer. This is a scanner. I think
I
this.
hope no. That's print
about
black, print color.
Oh,
That's probably Wi-Fi, which we won't be using.
that one?
I don't know.
Maybe that's the scanner.
I don't know. We need to see the instructions.
Yeah.
Is there a quick start guide or something? Who's this young man here? Hello, baby. Tippy, tippy. Psst.
Hello, baby boy. So this is a setup guide. So this is a HP DeskJet 2700E, all-in-one series. Excuse
Baby's
me,
checking out your
baby.
new printer.
So
I'm hoping there's a scan button on there as well. If not, then what
there
can we
should
do?
be. It doesn't say is this scan. I don't know.
If there's a page showing you what button does what, then
Yeah,
should show.
it's not here. Maybe this is the reference guide. So yeah, so the display. Oh, number 2 is scanner.
Which
it
one?
says this is scanner.
Yeah, but is there a button for it?
Number 2.
Or do you have to do it through the computer?
Panel, access to output tray extender. Number 3, control panel. So
Yeah. Do they show you what the buttons
panel.
are individually?
Ink alert resume information, wireless color copy. No, there is no scanner.
No scan again.
Yeah,
That's a shame.
there's no scan button.
It's the same as the one we got upstairs.
It's just scanner. It's just the flap. It says the flap. Maybe if
It has to be done through the computer.
so. It should be connected by Ethernet, Wi-Fi.
Yeah, we don't want Ethernet and Wi-Fi. We just want to
Yeah. So that's
print without,
okay.
and we can open this as well.
So
That's to go with it.
this one. Okay, guys. So this is another unboxing. This is the first unboxing, and this is the second unboxing.
That should go with it. Hopefully.
Okay. Let's see.
I'm not too sure because I ordered several leads. Some for that, some for something else. So.
Oopsie. 1 second. This is 350 XL.
And that's the ink cartridges.
Oh, ink cartridge.
Yeah, you got a couple with it.
Oh,
But
see.
they're like less than half.
Less than half.
Only a tiny bit of ink on those.
So this one is.
Those are the proper, and XL is the one with more ink in it. So
So
they last longer.
the XL is more ink. It's unit. So this is more ink.
Yeah.
Oh.
If
Okay.
you buy the ones without the XL, but same numbers, then there's less ink in them. And the ones that came with it is even less.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is color.
And that is black.
And that is black. Oh, see. So that is color. And that is. So this ink, the one that comes with it, is
Doesn't last long at all. Only print a few pages and it's gone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's always like that.
What a shame. Why do they do that?
Because they want you to spend more money
And you buy this
on
dish-
the ink. The ink costs more than the printer.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's where they make the money.
Oh dear. So that is why. So the printer is more cheaper than the ink.
Yeah,
Oh dear. So that is
the
the
printer was £36.
so that is the reference guide. So how to set up things like that. Yeah, setting up.
You can put this on top so they can see. Put it on top of the printer.
So this is here. So it says keep it simple. KIS. KISS.
Yeah.
So this is the printer. This is my new printer. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you, thank you.
My darling, that's to go with your anniversary present.
Oh yes, it's June. It's June already. Time flies so quickly.
No anniversary present or birthday present. Choose which one.
I think it's just anniversary. The birthday is far too long to go.
Yeah, the computer for your birthday.
So this is keep it simple. So HP DeskJet 2720E.
Yeah.
So that one. So that is one when it's working. So
That's virtually the same as the one we got in the bedroom.
the one upstairs. And
Yeah.
why you buy this? Where else
For
we
your
get another one?
for your study.
Ah, see,
your
for my
new
computer.
computer, yeah.
All right, okay, understand. So this is for me.
Yes.
The other one is for you.
Yes.
So we got one each.
Laptop.
Yeah. So this, guys, we will connect it with my computer
Yes.
because the printer that was there that is already
That's
long
very-
time
very
haven't
old.
been used for maybe a decade.
Yeah. So
A decade
dried
ago.
up.
It's not used, so I don't know if it's still
I don't even know if
working.
they're doing the ink for that. So
Yeah. So now I get a new one, and I get the
Yes.
new computer as well.
Yes.
So I'll make the separate video of the computer so you can watch the new computer video. Alright guys, I'm happy for my printer, and I'm so happy guys that you are watching. Thank you, and I hope that I'll see you again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Love, love, love.